Hello, so I've been asked a few times just how well the Anycubic Kobra 3 actually prints out in multicolour. I've done quite a few multicolour prints with it, and the majority of them have turned out really well. What I did do was I actually turned off the tower in the slicer, and I set my purge on the actual printer to 0.6, and it saves a lot on the waste, because if you have both the prime tower in the slicer and you have your purge on the printer screen set quite high, it's going to use a lot of filament, so you're going to lose or waste a lot of filament. But the following pictures, which you'll see in the video, are some of the prints which I've done with the Kobra 3. They've all come out pretty well. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and keep an eye out for some of the other videos which I'll be posting.